some time to take fresh steps.
Yes, Lordship, I need some, this is the matter after 3 weeks, Lordship, because we
3
are
weeks for taking steps.
unable to connect to the petitioner, Lordship.
Why do you need to connect with the petitioner? You have to take steps. Petitioner has already given you instructions at the time of filing. What connection, what instructions you need now?
I am instructed for this the matter.
Who has instructed you? Huh?
My
Your name.
Dolly Bora.
As prayed by MSD Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, the matter stands adjourned for a period of 1 week to enable the petitioner to take fresh steps against in terms of the earlier order passed by this court. It is needless to be cleared that if the fresh steps as all right, I'm not saying anything, but if you don't take it next time, we will dismiss it.
Item number 2.
Yes.
My apologies, Lordship. Actually, due to want of some instruction from the concerned petitioner, we couldn't take Lordship within a week itself.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
NZ Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist the matter after a period of 10 days to enable the writ petitioner take fresh steps. Fresh steps or the steps which was ordered?
No, Lordship, that has been ordered, Lordship.
To take these steps as directed earlier by this court against the respondent numbers
25 and 35.
17, 25 and 35.
Lordship, kindly can we 2 weeks, because Lordship paper publication was
Okay,
there,
2
so
weeks.
much of Lordship.
I'm going to
Revision.
2 weeks.
Item number 5.
Counter.
The promotion of the petition, I am the secretariat, Lordship.
Yes, but affidavit in opposition is
SAP
filed.
has not filed any
Lordship, the
affidavit.
GAD department has to file an affidavit, Lordship.
Where are they? Who is appearing?
Some SP Fukunaga.
You find out, because I'm just keeping it because if he's generally in court, you see, if I pass the order in his presence, then some effective orders will come. At least we know how much time they need, or is it ready? Okay. So get hold of Mr. Fukan.
Item number 6.
Yes, Mr. Patwari.
My lord, the third round of litigation petition has been agitating for his promotion, my lord, from grade 3 to grade 4.
All the pleadings have been filed. This is a promotion matter. Yes.
My lord, as per the last order, this honorable court was pleased to call for a report from the additional advocate general.
Which order?
For the order dated
19/6/25.
19?
6/25. The penultimate para.
19/6/25.
My lord.
This is item 6.
So,
I think it's a there is no such order in this matter.
no, my lord.
Who is appearing for the other side in this matter? Item 6.
My lord, because I am for item number 8.
Huh?
I am for item number 8.
No, item 6 is called. Who is appearing in item 6? Anyone appearing in item 6? All পিছত কৰি দিয়ক.
Item 7.
AO filed, I think, in this.
Yeah.
Right,
We
Mr.
have-
Sharma?
Yeah.
Are you going to file your reply?
Authorities will need to clarify because they have not disputed our claims. They have merely stated the facts which are there on record.
All right. What do they have to clarify?
That the human resource policy for the petitioners that they have stated that they'll undertake for our service conditions, has that been implemented or will that be implemented? Because the claim that we are seeking, my lord, by this petition is that the service rules need to be implemented. Page 120, my lord, is the relevant portion.
Yes, Mr. Dhar, what do you have to say to that part?
My lord, the thing is,
Implementation part.
my lord, as a council, we only
No, that's all right.
Not instruction.
You see, Mr. Dhar, at the end of the day, what is, if you have to do complete justice, then perhaps the implementation will come, right?
Yes, my lord.
So I understand that you will not have that instruction today,
Yes, my
but
lord.
we can give you some time. In the meantime, you can find out.
Yes, what I
Isn't
do is
it?
I can go for a supplementary, my lord, additional affidavit.
Just put that part if, and depending on that, we can
Definitely,
proceed,
Definitely. my lord.
right?
Because
not-
to reply now has not been occasioned as of yet, my lord.
All right. Heard Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned additional senior government advocate for the respondent numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Stop. None appears for the finance on call. Mr. Dhar submits that the affidavit in opposition has been filed on 22/7/2025. Stop. Mr. Sharma draws the attention of this court. Yes, affidavit, which paragraph?
Page one. It starts at page 140. The relevant portion is at page 141.
To the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 5 and 6
Yes, ma'am.
on 22/7/2025, wherein
Starts at. it's-
paragraph 17 na,
Yes, ma'am.
reads as under quote unquote paragraph page 140. To the effect, that's what likhiba after that, to the effect that though the answering respondent has admitted the claim of the petitioner, however, however, there is no averment as regards the implementation of the same.
Yes, ma'am.
In view of the aforesaid, no, don't say that. Mr. Dhar at this stage submits that if seeks for a short accommodation to obtain instruction as regards the status of implementation.
Yes, my lord.
These are basically policy decisions.
As regards how within how much time the implementation implementation in question can be exercised. Relist after 2 weeks.
My lord, it will let me 4 weeks, my lord. Because these are policy decisions, my lord.
4 weeks.
It will be helpful, my lord, if the human resource policy, a copy is also provided to us as their claimed, my lord.
Do I need to put that in order? I think you can give it to him.
By way, ma'am.
It's a public document.
I don't have, my lord, but yes,
You can arrange.
yes, I can always arrange.
And it is needless to be clarified that a copy of the
A human resource policy.
human resource policy
Yes, ma'am.
shall also be kept readily available for the perusal of the court on the next date of listing if necessary.
Grateful, my lord.
So you give him a copy.
Grateful.
I'm being item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Fukan, affidavit, but how much more time?
I've been filing my affidavit, my lord, but on the last occasion, Your Lordship, I had produced before the court the rule, which rule itself says that, my lord, the Assam Secretariat Grade 4 and record supplier service rules is basically applicable in this case, wherein, my lord, the appointing authority has to be, my lord, the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam in the Secretariat Administration Department. So that moot question had cropped up. So the court had asked him to get the instructions regarding his appointing authority is the, my lord, Irrigation Department, and it not the Secretariat.
Nothing is reflected in the orders.
In the order, it was not reflected. There was given time, but that was the main issue because I had produced this particular.
What is the instruction that is required from the petitioner?
Whether he falls in which rule he is under. So he was not able to say which rule he is under. So
And the
according
employee
to,
of the grade 4 employer.
Mr. Fukan, why don't you file your affidavit? You
because
file your
that's
affidavit.
fine.
Mr. A. Fukan, so and so seeks how much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file return in the matter. Relist after so and so on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Sir, look, in the next date, if he fails to file the affidavit.
You should have also brought the instructions. We could have done something today. Yes, next.
Keep your breath.
Item number 8.
Yes,
That
this
is
is the matter.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. My lord, the petitioner is agreed.
19.5 order you are referring to?
19.6.
19.6, yes. Issue urged before this court is the claim.
Last part.
1 second, 1 second. Learned Additional Advocate General Assam for the Finance and Taxation Department to complete his instructions. Yes,
My lord, that's not, instructions are waited, my lord. I'm praying for 1 week, my lord.
you are on behalf of B. Gogoi. Okay. Aspirate on behalf of Mr. V. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General Assam for the Finance and Taxation Department, relist the matter on such and such date, to enable the respondent Finance and Taxation Department to complete the instruction as called for by the order dated 19/6/2025.
I have a-
Date, give a date.
I have a humble prayer, my lord. Pursuant to that order, we have also filed an RTA application and we have received some information on.
You
the-
bring it on record,
Yes,
and
sir.
Mr. So-and-so is given the liberty to bring the additional information as obtained pursuant to the RTI application on record.
Deeply.
In the meantime. Yes.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, affidavit has not been filed.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
I think one of these cases is infectious.
Infractions,
No, lordship, because
Yes,
termination.
yes, termination, my lord. Petitioner was released from the service because he was appointed on contractual basis against non-sexual force. Moreover, the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, which was my lord, established as per the Secondary Education Act 1984, that has been repealed, and council also dissolved. Now new council board has come in 24. But
Yes.
this post is also not there in the recent.
Then-
part of it. There's nothing else, my lord. And he most perhaps he has joined in another job.
No, that instruction I don't have, but the
You can
termination,
take it.
One second, one second.
manner in which he was terminated, that was under challenge. So
Mr.
that was-
Chutia, do one thing, you file a short affidavit, and if that be so, we will dispose it off on the next date. Otherwise, nothing is on record, you see. As prayed for by Mrs. E. Sula, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, relist after
After 2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks to enable the state respondent file returning the matter. In the meantime, it is worthwhile to mention that Mr. T.C. Shutia, Learned so-and-so submits that the matter perhaps have also become infractious. However, let the return be filed, and in the meantime, Mr. So-and-so
Yes.
shall also obtain instruction from his client in this regard.
Whether he has engaged in other case,
With a specific instruction as whether
he appointed in another.
the petitioner in the meantime has been appointed
In another
in
department.
another department.
Item 10.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood?
Well, since 1996, due
Hmm.
to my illness, I could not join in my service. I was ASI of police. Well,
Hmm.
now since 1996, we are in 2025.
Hmm.
I have rendered 27 years of service, but I have been not provided any pension or pensionary benefits.
Hmm.
We have
There-
filed our affidavit. He wants to counter, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood, any,
The counter is their affidavit is also in our favor.
you want to file or you don't want to file a
Don't want
counter
to file.
affidavit?
But
What,
my
what
lord-
is the stand of the, Mr. Dhar, what is your stand? Why these pensionary benefits have not been released? Affidavit and reply seems to have been filed.
This is with regard to the respondent number 6,
Okay.
SP.
No, there is one affidavit filed by respondent number 6. There is an affidavit in reply. Then there is an additional affidavit in reply by respondent number 6. You are for
One
whom?
reply is filed by.
You are for whom, Mr. Dhar?
My lord, I am for the government, SP
Respondent number?
6.
So 6 affidavits are there, and reply to 6 is also there. You don't have a copy?
I have a copy, my lord.
My lord, I have humble prayer, my lord, since last 29 years, I am not getting the pension. I am
That's
lying in
okay. So
bed.
that is why, Mr. Mahmood, I'm trying to find out what is the reason. This court will have to see why it has not been released.
Their claim was that 25 years has been met newly.
Hmm.
But even then I will get, because I rendered 27 years of service.
Mr. Dhar, you need some time. All right, then tomorrow. Tomorrow? You have a look at it because everything seems to be there. Tomorrow.
Fine.
Release tomorrow.
Fine.
Item 11.
Please, your lordship. Last occasion, it was asked to take instruction, Lordship.
Yes.
Pensionary benefit to the husband of the petitioner.
Yes, instructions.
Yes, Your Lordship, basically the pension proposal was forwarded by the department,
Mhm.
the pension department. The pension department has actually sought the views of the judicial department, finance department. Those views are actually awaited. So from time.
How much more time?
As per this letter, Your Lordship, this is the letter. Your Lordship.
What does it say?
It just says that we have sent it to the judicial department for the views as per advice of the pension department.
How much time? The court is interested in how much time you need for all these instructions to be completed.
It is not written there.
No, that is why I'm asking. You see, sending such letters is of no good when it matters are of pensionary benefits.
I understand.
Some seriousness has to be shown from the respondent side as well.
3 weeks time may be granted, Your Lordship.
Last chance, otherwise personal appearance. Because I would have understood if the instructions showed some seriousness and some commitment. There seems to be no commitment in that letter. You, in such matters, you cannot just casually ask for time, and this court is not going to merrily give time in such matters.
And
Uh,
long days, Lordship.
I'm aware. That is why I made these comments, Mr. Counsel. I'm aware of it. As prayed for by Mr. D. Bora, Leonard Junior Government Advocate
Yes, Lord.
for the state submits that as per the instruction received from the state government, some more time is sought for to complete the instructions. In view of the aforesaid, relist on such and such date, give a date after 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, dated the DDBA on such and such date to enable the state respondent to complete the instruction and positively file the return in the matter. It is needless to be clarified that if return is not filed by the next date of listing, the concerned hearing officers, if required, shall be directed to be personally present before this court inasmuch as the matter pertains to non-release of alleged pensionary benefits, which is pending for a long time.
Item number 12. May I be the Lord? So over here, lots of pleadings are completed. So lots of pleadings are completed. So lots of take on my hearing there also next.
What is the issue?
Issue here, lots of what happened here, lots of in the earlier Provincial Election Act of 2011.
Matter relates to
Is-
provisionalization.
Yes, lots.
All right.
They have been recommended.
Okay, we'll admit it then. Heard Mr. A. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. N.J. Khatanya. Sorry, P.N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel,
Standing Council Elementary.
Elementary Education. Pleadings appears to be completed. The matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no formal notice as respondents are represented by Learned Counsel. Stop. List for hearing in the month of September 2025 on any date to be fixed by the registry.
Complied with.
Yes, Mr. Singh.
Please, Your Lordship, my lord, being aggrieved by the dismissal of my service, I'm.
Dismissal.
Lordship,
Your rejoinder has been filed
Yes, I have filed a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
on 22nd. No, this is filed in 24 only. Yes, so pleadings are complete.
Pleadings
It's
are
a dismissal matter.
Yes,
Okay,
And,
then I'll fix it for hearing.
or any date fix.
Same thing. Heard Mr. A. Singh, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss MS. Huh?
R. Devi.
R. Devi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the CGC. Pleadings are complete. Matter requires full-fledged hearing. No formal notice. Parties are represented by respective Learned Counsels and list for hearing in the month of September 2010
Lordship, if any date is fixed.
on any date to be fixed by the registry.
Oh,
Yes.
obliged.
Item number 14. Your Lordship, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I am the eldest wife of my.
Affidavit has not come.
Lordship, I want to file my affidavit in opposition.
When?
3 weeks time maybe, Lordship.
Anybody else?
Respondent number 9, Lordship.
What about the other respondents? Are you filing? Yes, Mr. Khatun, are you filing?
Not required otherwise, my lord.
So who is going to file? Only for respondent number
9.
9.
Private.
As prayed for by Mr.
D does.
D. Das, learned counsel appearing for the respondent line, relist the matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent file the affidavit in opposition in the matter. However, it is clarified that if in the event no affidavit in opposition is filed by the next date of listing, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
My lord, it is a pension matter.
That's why I have said it.
23 matter.
I have realized this is why I have given that last
I have not
option.
been getting pension since 2023, now 2025.
Mr. Counsel, I have already given them the last chance. I think you have heard the order.
I'd be happy your lordship fix a date, my lord.
Okay, give a date. Yes. A date will be given.
Oh, my lord, obliged, my lord. My name is S.S. A. Rahman, my lord. It's not respecting cause list. S.S. A. Rahman,
Yes.
highly obliged.
Item number 15.
Yes. None appears for the petitioner on call. Any affidavits? By when will you file? Respondents are represented by respective counsels. Please give your appearance slips, huh?
The oral instructions of in this
Mr. So-and-so Dhenuka, na?
K chain,
K. Jain, learned counsel appearing for the
respondent number 3.
respondent number
On
3.
behalf of SCKL.
On behalf of Mr. S.C.K.L. submits that instructions have been received in the matter and an affidavit in opposition shall be shortly filed. Relist after 2 weeks
Lordship.
on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item number 17.
Instructions was called.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
Your lordship, yes, the Disciplinary Development Authority, as per the office note, they had received the notice. And on last occasion, even after.
State Council was directed to.
J.K. Goswami was, I think.
That's what we have written to the Town and Country Planning Department. But so far we have not received any, because the Disciplinary Development Authority under the Municipal Act, they are independent body altogether with their own funds and other.
Parent department is the.
No, parent
town
department, no. That is what he is mistaken under the Municipal Act, section 50.
But what about the notice to the this development authority?
That's what your lordship is.
That-
The office note reveals that it has been served upon.
They have not
They
appeared.
have not appeared. They have to say everything. We have nothing to say.
Then I think
Give grant.
fresh steps,
Maybe, your lordship.
because their appearance is required. Now, if they don't after a fresh step, then we may perhaps proceed.
Yes.
We can't now make them appear through the government because government is not representing them. They have their own counsel.
The notice has already been served. my lord.
Yes, but they have not appeared.
Yes.
Have you served them a letter? Do you have a copy to show that you have served?
As per the last order, we were supposed to write to the Director Town and Country Planning.
Because then I will record this. If they are not appearing, what can be done?
Goswami on last occasion, he has actually written the letter. As per the last order.
Heard Mr. O. Lashkar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Bora, learned government counsel appearing for the respondent numbers 2, 4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
Stop. It appears that since respondent number 1, i.e. the development authority, development authority, he is the town country planning Assam.
Dibrugarh Development Authority.
Is the Dibrugarh Development Authority, which is under the since the respondent number 1, i.e. Dibrugarh Development Authority, despite receipt of notice, has not entered appearance in the matter, this court, by order dated 5/5/2025, permitted the state government council to obtain instruction from the aforesaid respondent as the same is under the Municipal Act. Today, when the matter is called, Mr. Bora places a letter dated 13/5/2025, written by the additional senior government advocate Assam, pursuant to the aforesaid, pursuant to the last order dated 5/5/2025 passed by this court. However, despite issuance of the said letter, also there is no representation or any instruction from the respondent number 1. Relist the matter on such and such date. In the event neither any instruction nor any representation is made on behalf of the respondent number 1, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
Technically then.
The letter dated so and so as placed by so and so is kept on record and marked as A. If you want a photocopy, you make it and give it back.
Obliged. Item number 18.
Yes.
Yeah, please. Matter is to family.
Family pension and retirement benefit.
Benefits, yeah.
Yes.
We have filed our affidavit, my lord.
Yes. Why are you not releasing it?
Initially, there was a misappropriation, my lord.
Huh?
Initially, there was a misappropriation.
Misappropriation.
Of
Yes.
government fund. So, my lord, we have recovered 32 lakhs from the petitioner's.
Excess
my lord,
that you have recovered.
that we have recovered. And now, my lord, she has been paying the provisional pension. Now, a criminal case also pending against her deceased husband and one of the co-accused. So, in the criminal case, my lord, the other person, he has been acquitted. So, my
He
lord,
has been acquitted.
acquitted, my lord.
Yes.
So now, as per our affidavit, my lord, your lordship comes to page 53,
Page 50.
3, my lord.
Yes.
The total amount, my lord, is still due. My lord, lordship will see that.
17 something.
Yes, my lord. In
Yes.
this connection, it may be mentioned that out of the total amount of iman, in respect of the excessive management committee, fund as shown is liability. That is the problem, my lord.
Huh?
Still shows an liability. This amount, my lord.
No, then what is to be done?
My lord.
You have to verify because you can't just keep it on hold.
But we have been paying her provisional pension, madam.
That's all right.
For our existing-
But your instructions have to be full-fledged. You have to complete.
Madam, yes, I have madam received an instruction, madam. Madam. It also says an amount still due. That's
To
the-
be recovered.
Yes, madam, that's the problem.
So how much is to be recovered?
Approximate.
So you finish the exercise, make a verification. Same page.
These are due. Or madam, we can do one thing, madam, that can be adjusted from her personal benefits.
Yes. Just
Yeah,
complete
this-
the exercise because all the petitioner, if tomorrow the petitioner has some grievance against the calculation, that would be a subject, separate subject. But at least you finish your part and release whatever is to be released.
My husband died in 2015.
That's what.
Yes, and it is the 4th round of litigation.
See, you see, I can dispose it with the direction that you complete the exercise, but I don't know whether what will happen.
Yeah, understand him.
No, in that case, should I dispose it with the direction that you,
Dispose it, madam.
with the, by,
Yes, this amount should be recovered, madam, adjusted from the pensionary benefit.
No, yeah, but earlier they have filed petition against that. Earlier recovery that they were said 70 lakhs. We have cooperated. It is collected from my husband account. After that, they have filed a review petition, review dismiss. And after that, High Court said that no recovery will be facilitated. That should be released.
where is that order?
Yeah, that's.
Because now they are again showing that something more is to be adjusted.
And that criminal case also this way. Yeah,
No, which is the order where High Court says no more adjustment? Mr. Counsel, I think to dispose of this matter may not be correct at this stage. Why don't you complete your instruction? I'll give you a week's time. You find out, you get the complete instructions. If you can, because if I say you verify and adjust, if there are contrary orders, then it will be difficult. So, because you have already adjusted once, right? If there was more,
again showing, my lord, that's the problem, is releasing the.
So you do whatever you have to do. Heard, Mr.
Yes, Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard, Mr.
My lord, SP Das,
SP Das, learned counsel appearing for respondent number
1, 2, and 6, my lord.
1, 2, and 6, and MS. MS so and so for the learned counsel appearing for the respondent number.
That's all, that's all.
Three.
Accountant General,
Yes,
and
number
Ms.
three.
D. Bora, learned government counsel for respondent number so and so, and Mr. Yes, you are there, Mr. Barpujari. R. Barpujari, learned standing counsel. R 5 and 6. 5 and 7.
5 and
Sorry. Mr. Das, na?
SP Das,
Huh?
SP Das.
Mr. SP Das submits that as per the instruction received, it appears that there are still outstanding liabilities against the petitioner, and accordingly, some more time is required to complete the verification. Be that as it may, let complete instructions as regards the time frame by which the pensionary benefits as claimed in the instant writ petition can be released to the petitioner after doing the needful. Relist on such and such date.
Yes, my lord. We'll take a decision.
You
By
do
passing
whatever
it-
you want to do.
By saying that, my lord, we'll adjust this amount from half.
I'm not saying all that. I'm not saying you, whatever you have to say, you say it on the next date. If something is due, you will release. If nothing is due, you will not release. I'm not getting into that part now.
Lordship may give my lord after this puja, my lord. It will take
No,
some
fix
time.
it.
She is receiving.
No,
the-
no, 2 weeks. Give a date after 2
Fix the
weeks.
date, yeah.
After 2 weeks.
Fix it.
Take back your instruction.
Bless.
Item number 22.
Wherein, my lord, no affidavit has been filed, my lord. More than 1 year has already.
More than a year.
Bills of-
Respondent, none appears on the last time. And
Yes.
today, anyone appearing? Respondents? What is the issue?
My lord, non-consideration of promotion to the post of.
Mr. Dhar, you are appearing.
Present standing of it.
Which department is this?
Assam urban.
Who is appearing? Because on the last occasion, after the matter being called twice also, there was no representation. I think SP Chaudhary or Vishwakarma,
Yes.
huh?
Chaudhary appear.
Where is he? Why is he not appearing? Counters are also not filed. Heard, Mr.
S. Chaudhary.
As Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents on call. It appears that on the last occasion, i.e. 37/2025, despite the matter being called twice, there was no representation on behalf of respondents. It appears that there is a standing counsel for the respondent number 2 department, i.e. Assam Urban Water Supply and Sewage Board. However, till date, neither any return has been filed, and on the last 2 consecutive dates when the matter has been listed showing the names of the standing counsel in the cause list, there is no representation on behalf of the respondent. Relist next week at the date on such and such date. If on that date as well there is no representation on behalf of the respondent counsel, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
Review. Item number 23.
Yes.
Worship.
Yes.
My senior is on legs. I need a matter be careful.
AO file. Yes. You want to file a reply or you don't want?
Actually, they have reiterated the earlier proceedings, my lord, in the affidavit, my lord.
What is the issue?
It is the second round of litigation, my lord. Already, the honorable court has disposed of the, my lord, with a direction to page number 24, whereby the punishment of dismissal has been converted to compulsory retirement. And thereafter, my lord, it has been complied initially as per.
So you are challenging the compulsory retirement.
not challenging, my lord. What they have done, my lord, they have issued two compliance order. One is, first one is in the light of the direction of this honorable court. And second one is, my lord, as per the instruction of the director, they have modified it. That is under
The modification.
modification, subsequent.
What is the modification?
With regard to the, my lord, the date of giving effect. That is, my lord, as per
So affidavit in opposition has been filed.
file.
Now you want to file something or you don't want to file? Otherwise, I'll post it for hearing.
Yes, that's my
Lordship,
for
time being, Lordship, time being.
Time being.
Yes, yes, my senior will be here.
So, but this matter has to be heard.
yes, sir.
You want the matter to be heard right now? Then I can have it on time being. Otherwise, I'm giving another date. It appears that the affidavit in opposition has been filed. Mr. Your name?
Be broadcast.
So and so submits that no reply is going to be filed against the affidavit in opposition. Relist on such and such date, on which date an endeavor shall be made to finally dispose of the petition. Give a date. Yes.
Item number 34.
Pilot, here I need little further time. I'm yet to receive the instructions now.
As prayed for by Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number. Respondent
Respondent 1, 5 and 6.
1, 5 and 6 relist on such after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the state respondent file return in the matter.
Item 35 and 36.
Service is completed. Yes,
Yes,
Mr.
Lordship,
Goswami.
already in this case, Lordship may close this matter because already earlier past appeal disposed of, Lordship.
What is
This is regarding appointment of the Gaon Pradhan, Lordship. So already
appointed?
yes, already appointed.
Okay. Okay. Heard MS.
SK Nargis.
SK Nargis, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned State Counsel, appearing on behalf of
Lordship, I am for the Revenue Department.
Learned Standing Counsel, Revenue Department, and anyone else?
Government person.
Stop.
34.
MS Nargis so and so submits that during the pendency of the writ petitioner, the petitioner has already been appointed to the post of Gram Pradhan. Huh?
Lordship, not appointed, the order passed by
They are
the
challenging my selection
process, Lordship.
The
Speaking-
director of land records, appeal has been preferred, that appeal has been.
They were appointed, but due to the order of the honorable court, that because appeal was pending, the Lordship, we were not appointed. That is why Lordship, appeal already heard and speaking order passed. This is the order, Lord.
So as per that appeal, the selection of R3 has been interfered
Yes, yes.
because that is under challenge in this writ, right?
Yes.
R3.
At 6, Nikki.
So, then you, I will simply say it has become infractious then. Submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the issue involved has already become infractious in view of the speaking order passed by the Director of Land Records and Survestic, no?
Survey, etc.
Survey, etc. By order dated 1/8/2025. In view of the aforesaid endorsement, nothing survives for adjudication. Writ petition stand dismissed on being infractious. A copy of the speaking order dated so and so is kept on record and marked as X.
This can be.
No, it is infractious. Yes. Next. Give your appearance.
Lordship, in the next
In
item.
same-
Lordship,
Same.
Similar type case, Lordship, regarding appointment of Gaon Pradhan, Lordship.
Is the speaking order different?
No one.
Speaking order is different, appeal is different, Lordship, petitioner is also.
So then give
different.
that.
There is no.
No order.
Passed. Hearing is already hearing completed, no order passed. Lordship, frame a date, Lordship, fix a date. So that
Okay. So item 36, you want time.
no, I'm not seeking time.
Lordship,
Lordship.
already been hearing completed.
Miss Counsel, in item 36, do you want it to be closed today?
No, Lordship, because
Because that order has not come till now.
Yes,
Right. So I'm giving you time then.
Lordship.
In item 36, relist after a week, after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed
Fix
by
the
the
date.
registry. Yes, next.
Fix a date, Lordship.
It'll come. Yes, next.
In the meantime, they should pass the order.
That I'm not saying.
Lords, all right,
Yes.
sir.
None appears for the petitioner on call, relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
I'm in item number 37, your lordship.
So why were you standing there?
Lordship, I just had a call.
Huh?
The file is not with me, man.
No, that's all right, but you'll have to come forward. If you stand there, I will not know whether you're appearing or you're not appearing. Sorry, cancel that order. Yes, what do you want? You want some time?
No, lordship, they have not filed anything yet.
Huh?
They have not filed anything.
Who is appearing? Third? Your name is there in the last order, textile.
Textile, but say issue pertains to my lord Khadi board.
Yes, but on the last occasion, apparently you sought 3 weeks' time to complete instructions and file the affidavit.
My lord.
This is recorded in the order. I am not saying with the
I
dot.
understand, my lord. But the matter pertains to Khadi board.
Yes, now who is going to file the counter? This court is only interested with the counter.
Munir appears, my lord.
Ah, Mr. Munir.
Munir.
Where is Mr. Munir? Get hold of him. Yes.
38.
You get hold of him. I'll pass the order in his presence.
Here, your lordship, I'd like to file an affidavit.
You filed?
No, we would
You,
like.
you want to file? As per,
6 months have passed.
all right, 6 months, then let them complete. It's a 25 matter.
Maybe treated as a last.
No, your lordship.
As prayed for my Mr. D. Bora, learned Government Council, relist the matter of the 3 weeks to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
May I pray for a date, lord?
Yes, next.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Shekhar.
I'm appearing for respondent number 120.
Yes, who's appearing for the petitioner?
I am appearing, Lordship.
Mr. Bhattacharya.
Lord-
Bhattacharya.
Lordship.
Records were called.
The Contractual, certainly on the last occasion, but was,
Yes.
The record.
Production of the relevant records.
Yes, Lord, I've got the record from you.
What is the issue?
issue, Lordship, regarding, I have challenged the transfer order, Lordship. I have already got the stay order, Lordship. Basically, on the 2 grounds, Lordship.
Then why don't you file your affidavit?
We filed the
You
affidavit.
filed your affidavit.
They filed your reply also. Lord.
What is the ground, which is the transfer order? Page.
Annexure E, Lordship. Page Lordship 27, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes, please.
In the interest of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation, Sri Navajyoti Mishra, Deputy Manager Finance, Head Office Finance and Accounts Branch is hereby transferred and posted at Assam State Warehousing Corporation Silchar Center with immediate effect and until further order. He is directed to perform the function of accounting matter of the Silchar and Karimganj Center in consultation with the concerned warehouse manager of both the center. He is asked to hand over all the official file, register, etc. to the manager, finance and accounts before proceed to Silchar Center.
So you have been now transferred from the head office.
Head office.
From the head office to Silchar Center. And this was, what is the ground of challenge?
Ground of challenge is, Lordship, basically the transfer order is against the terms and condition of the engagement procedure.
What is the terms and engagement?
Lordship, may come to the page 24, Annexure B, Lordship.
That's
This-
the only ground that it is contrary to the terms and engagement?
And against I have been transferred, Lordship, against the non-existing post, Lordship.
So 2 grounds.
2 grounds.
Non-existing post and against terms.
Terms and conditions. And I have already got the stay order.
That's all right. You've got a stay order. You don't have to repeat that.
Lordship.
As a matter of course, I'm not going to make that stay absolute, Mr. Counsel.
Lordship.
You'll have to make out a case first.
Lordship.
Yes.
This is page number 24, Lordship, Annexure B.
Yes.
May I read, Lordship?
Yes, please.
The Assam State Warehousing Corporation invites the candidates for walk-in interview for engagement of 1 Deputy Manager Finance on contractual basis for supervision of various work in finance and accounts branch of the corporation, including schemes under RIDF, APART project, etc., the applicant shall have no claim in future for observing under Assam State Warehousing Corporation. The applicants who are selected will be stationed at the head office of the corporation at Amaravati Port, Christian Basti, Guwahati. Here it is specifically mentioned.
So when selected, will be stationed at the head office.
Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, Lordship may kindly look Annexure C, page 25, Lordship. Next page, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
When selected means after applying in the advertisement and selected. Thereafter.
Lordship.
Your posting is to be at the head
the
office.
Lordship.
Yes. Then
Annexure C, Lordship, page 25.
yes.
This is the selection.
Yes.
Appointment, Lordship.
Yes.
May I read, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
In pursuance of the decision of the selection committee of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation held on 10/8/2017 for selection to the post of Deputy Manager Finance Contractual in the office of the Managing Director Assam State Warehousing Corporation, Guwahati, the Navajyoti Mishra is hereby engaged at a fixed remuneration of
Number 4 is relevant.
Lordship.
That he will render his
Re-
service at
service
the
at the
category of
Deputy-
Deputy Manager Finance at the head office.
Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, Lordship may come to the page 26, that is regularization order, Lordship.
Yes.
In pursuance of the decision of the Board of Directors in its meeting held on Shenso, head office in Navajyoti Mishra, who was engaged as Deputy Manager Finance in Assam State Warehousing Corporation on contractual
So
basis.
it was regularized.
Regular
Deputy
Deputy Manager Finance to discharge the without notice assigning any reason thereof under Finance and Accounts branch of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation.
Yes.
There is also specifically mentioned that I have been entrusted the duties as regularized under the Finance and Account branch of the Assam State Warehousing Corporation. Also.
You are for the warehousing corporation, Mr. Shekhar. Mr. Shekhar, what is the ground of transfer? I mean, why did you transfer? Because it appears that the advertisement is very clear. The appointment order is also very clear that he is going to be stationed at the head office, right? Now it appears that he has been transferred from the head office to Silchar Center. Now, whether that is permissible?
He has been transferred only for a as a temporary basis, my lord. Because what happened, my lord? The right now is warehousing corporation, they are running at a loss, my lord. So the management taken a decision that no new appointment has to be carried out. And because of that, the corporation is understaffed now at present.
Where is the stand of yours in the affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph? So, Mr. Counsel, you have, these are the two grounds, no malified or anything you have, isn't it? Your only ground is that as per the appointment orders, as per the terms of advertisement, you were required only to be stationed at a particular place. However, contrary to this, you have been transferred out. And the place where now you have been put is a non-existing post. These are the two grounds? I've understood you correctly, right? Yes.
Your Lordship will kindly turn to page 56, my lord.
Page?
56, Annex 5 of my affidavit.
Yes.
That is
This is some list.
yes, list of employees, my lord. Your Lordship will kindly see the sanction post is 493, my lord. Many position is only 187, my lord. Total vacancy is 306, my lord.
One second, 493
3.
is the sanction post.
Yes, my lord. And the man in position is only 187, my lord.
187.
The total vacancy is 306, my lord.
187 posts are filled up.
Yes, my lord. And vacancy is already 306, my lord.
Yes.
And now what has happened? And because of the no new recruitment has taken place, so they have to run their all the warehouses.
So basically, you're saying exigencies of service.
Yes, my lord.
But then that exigency of service has to be permissible. You have clearly appointed him with the condition that he's going to be stationed at the head office.
And because of what
now you're changing that.
No, only on temporary basis he has been transferred there, my lord.
Where do we get that it is temporary? Where in that impugned transfer order?
There in the records also, my lord.
No, in the impugned order, you see at page 27, where is the word temporarily?
Temporary order.
It's not there.
It is not there.
It's not
We
there.
have clearly stated in our affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit is no good if you use the word temporary. The order at page 37 doesn't.
my
Your record says temporary.
Yes, my lord.
Where is it? Show me. Because even here, it doesn't say that it is temporarily for meeting this. the exigencies.
What
This
about
is
it?
not reflected at page 37, Mr. Shekhar. Are you getting what I'm
Yes,
saying?
yes, Milord.
Your 37, your page, sorry, document at page 27 simply says that so and so in the interest of so and so has been transferred and posted at Silchar with immediate effect and until further orders.
Actually, what had happened, the warehouse manager who was posted at Silchar, he was holding the dual post of, he was looking after the Silchar warehouse as well as the Karimganj warehouse, Milord.
That is all right.
Yes, and he was about to retire on that day, on 28th of February, Milord. And because of his transfer, as because he cannot recruit any persons for the warehouse, that's why this person was transferred to Silchar on a temporary basis till the warehouse, new warehouse manager is appointed
But
there.
your order doesn't say all that.
The order doesn't speak, but the your lordship will kindly
The
look
order has to be read. You cannot improve this order.
as because they are understaffed, all the deputy managers, they're holding post of as inserts in warehouses, Milord.
Which part of the records you want this court to?
Last two orders, Milord.
The one which you have indicated. Hmm? Just mark it.
In fact, managers are also holding warehouse. They are also officiating as warehouse
No,
manager.
that's okay. But here, your order doesn't speak all this. That, dual charge or anything. He did not complain when he was holding dual charge. Now it appears that you have completely changed his station. And that also, whether it's a temporary period or not, is not reflected. You are Navajyoti Mishra, Lordship. Annual increment is also given. No.
He's getting the increments, Milord, regularly.
That appears to be is given, right? Now, in affidavit, from records only this page?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, that is only the.
Yes.
Your lordship will kindly turn to page annexer 9 also, page 60. And
Yes.
there are a total 6 members of deputy managers, Milord. All the deputy managers, they are holding the post of warehouse manager as inserts, Milord.
Navajyoti Mishra.
Except the Navajyoti, last name, Navajyoti Mishra, number 6. All other 5 deputy managers, they are holding.
That is okay, but now there's a change of station.
Yes, Milord. Only for a temporary basis, Milord.
That is neither there nor in your records. They don't say it is only for temporary.
Yes, it's written there, Milord.
No, it says that because of the exigencies, he may be transferred to Silchar Center at the same capacity grade to look after the accounting matter of Silchar and Karimganj Center.
It's there.
Where is it there?
Maybe next slide, not a line before.
Pencil to do market according. Hmm? Ini apa this? I'll take it up at after lunch.
Yes, sir.
Huh? You, in the meantime, you just see what you want to rely from the record. Mr. Shekhar, there is one matter from the Aizol bench online. I'll just finish that. It's a small matter. Miss Fanai?
Yes, my lord. My
Miss
lord,
Vani, are you there?
I'm there.
First matter, I think you withdraw that and item 2. Give me item 2. I'm allowing this, Miss Vani.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard MS Fanai, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. This is item 2, huh? Also heard MS Vani, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, Ms. Aizol for the opposite party, stroke state respondents. By way of this instant interlocutory application, the applicant is seeking modification of the date of the court's order. Ms. Fanai, where do I get it? It's not mentioned here.
my lord, it's order dated 21/7/2025.
Of the order dated
21/7/2025.
21/7/2025, passed by this court in bail application number 23/2025. Whereby it was inadvertently mentioned, whereby in condition number 3 of the said order, it was inadvertently mentioned as regards the accused stroke applicant requiring to furnish photocopy of his Aadhaar card and PAN card, inasmuch as the applicant is a resident of, where is it mentioned? Resident of Myanmar.
Yes, Chin Usi Halka, Myanmar.
Settled at paragraph.
My
paragraph.
it's in the cost title, my lord.
Cost title.
Annexure number 1, my lord. Page 8. My lord has got it?
Yes, page 8.
Yes, my
8
lord.
No, I
Annexure-
think 8 is the order of this court.
Yes, my lord, it's written there.
Where?
In the cost title, Thangsunga, son of H.
Okay. A resident of a, you'll find it, Anamikana, page 8 dot, yate paba, huh? A resident of Chin Usi Halka, Myanmar. Stop. It is accordingly submitted that the applicant, being a resident of Myanmar, the condition number 3 of the bail order dated such and such requires to be modified. And instead of that, what is to be given? You have said something.
Yes, my lord. It's at page 17, annexure number 3. My lord, it's a temporary identity card for Myanmar nationals in Nathia district.
Miss Bani, I think if this is deleted, that is sufficient.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Instead of this card, he didn't have any other card to produce.
So therefore, I'll delete this condition.
Your Lordship, if this temporary card may be submitted.
All right. Modified to the extent of requiring to furnish photocopy of the identity card, of the temporary identity card for Myanmar nationals in What does it mean? I can't read.
Nathia district.
Anya district. It would page 70, not Pabo. You don't have a legible copy of the ID card. Anyway, stop. Having regard to the above, the said condition mentioned at condition number 3 of the bail order dated so and so accordingly stands modified to the extent of the applicant requiring furnishing photocopy of so and so. Stop. It is with the above aforesaid observation and direction, the IA stands disposed of. The order is to read together with the order dated so and so passed in BA number so and so, disposed of. And item number 1 stands withdrawn, dismissed on being withdrawn. Both disposed of.
Oblige.
All right.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item 39, conflict.
Yes, records.
Yes. Marked it.
See, the only difficulty this court is having is because the appointment order is very specific.
Yes.
It doesn't envisage any transfer.
Yes.
So an argument which generally comes from your side, incident of service, exigencies of service, it doesn't fit in the context of the present facts. The settled law is that generally court should not interfere unless and until mala fides, infraction of the professed norms and the statutes, right? But here, the order.
The order was at the time that
You see,
temporary.
whatever it is, the appointment order is very clear.
Yes. That was on contractual basis. At the time, the requirement is in.
Whatever,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Shekhar, thereafter, his regularization is also in that post.
Yes.
Nowhere have you mentioned that he can be transferred.
No.
Right.
In the transfer order itself, in clause 6, it is written there. my lord.
Clause 6.
Yes, my lord.
Let's see.
He will abide by the rules, regulations, orders, and instructions.
1 second. Page.
Page 25 of the writ petition. my lord.
Before that, if you see the page 24,
Yes.
24 says the applicants when selected will be stationed at the head office.
That is the advertisement. It was.
But
for
you
temporary-
see, Mr. Shekhar,
Yes,
this is the
I agree.
legitimate expectation. The applicant at the time of applying for this post was told that you will not, your station is going to be such and such.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
He applies. He got selected. Now, the order that you give at page 25 also says that he will render his service at the category of Deputy Manager Finance at the head office of the ASWC. Now, you want to rely on 6. He will abide by the rules, regulation, orders, and instructions of the ASWC.
Yes.
But by this rules, regulations, you can't now change the station because that you have specifically mentioned,
Yes.
head office.
That is true. But now he has been transferred to Silsor only for a temporary basis. my lord.
That the order at page 26 doesn't, 27 doesn't speak so.
It is not specifically.
It doesn't speak so.
But it is there in the file, my lord. I have marked that, my lord.
He will look into the financial aspects of the warehouses and try to strengthen the accounting of both the centers.
Yes.
This is a stopgap arrangement until the joining of the new incumbent in place of Swens. But this you're talking about both.
Yes.
But-
Silsor as well as Karimganj, my lord.
Karimganj. But what about his head office? You have changed him from the head office.
Only he has been temporarily transferred there.
But that where have you said? Because the portion where the main portion of this record is on top, right? As discussed and directed, taking into consideration of manpower shortage and current financial challenges and proper functioning of Silchar and Karimganj center, Shri so-and-so, currently working as deputy manager at head office, may be transferred to Silchar center at the same capacity and grade to look after the accounting matters of so-and-so, so-and-so. Where do you find the word temporary here, Mr. Shekhar? It is not there. Then when you come down, the stopgap arrangement is talking about these two places.
Yes. And what happened, my lord, as because the person he has retired there, and as the petitioner.
You
he has
see,
not
I'm
signed.
finding little difficulty there.
And if required,
Otherwise, there was no difficulty.
if required,
This
then
is
we
not a
review-
case where they are alleging malafides
Yes, my lord.
or arbitrariness. If the appointment order didn't say that your station will be so and so, I would have dismissed this petition right now itself. Because there is no arbitrariness or malafide either alleged or can be seen. Absolutely, you're right. Exigencies are because of extent of service, you are doing it.
Yes.
And it looks, it's bona fide. It's in public interest.
And the person
Everything appears to be bona fide.
And the
But the
person who-
only difficulty, Mr. Shekhar, is
That is true.
because you have specified it in the advertisement, in the appointment order, and in the regularization order.
Yes, my lord.
Now, once you have done that,
And because of that,
and you see, you could have simply said that while you are holding this, in addition, you can just look after these two places because of so and so. That could have been also understood.
yes, my lord.
And as you have said, I think prior to this, he was doing that. Correct? While you were at the head office, you are also looking after these centers.
Lordship, lordship.
He was.
No, mostly he was not looking for the centers, my lord.
No,
This is the
actually,
first time he has
Lordship,
been-
in warehouse center, there is no any accounting branch, Lordship. Head office accounting matters are controlled by the head office, Lordship. That's why I have been appointed, and accordingly I have been regularized, Lordship.
That is where the difficulty. I can have this matter relist on Thursday. You think over it. Otherwise, I am ready now to dispose it off.
Thursday, Lordship,
But,
some difficulty.
Why? Tomorrow then, Mr. Shekhar? You rethink about it.
Yes, my lord.
Because otherwise, the decision
Your lordship, it's on Tuesday, my lord, next week.
next, I don't want to, everything is fresh right now. See, the settled law of the apex court is that transfer of a government servant who's appointed to a cadre of transferable post. The general idea is that is the law, isn't it? Because it's a transferable post. It's an incident of service. Now here it is the other way around. That is why I'm saying I'm finding it little difficulty in applying that in the context of this particular case. Please come up with something because otherwise there was no difficulty. I'll have it
Let it be on Tuesday, next week.
next Tuesday. Why so much time? Wednesday, okay?
Oh, tomorrow, my lord.
No, today is Monday.
On Wednesday, I may not be available. I might have to.
Thursday.
This is some difficulty. Tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow, Mr. Shekhar, small point, you see, I'm only accommodating you to come up with something if you can.
Wednesday, my lord, then.
All right, Wednesday. Hardin part relist on Wednesday. The records as placed by Mr. Shekhar shall be retained by him for the perusal of the court on the next date of listing as well. So keep it with you and give it to me on that day.
Obliged.
Time being item number 6.
Yes.
This is against the imposition of penalty of withholding, Lordship. This is in fact against the imposition
Item
of
number 6.
6, Lordship.
Again, there is no one from the state government. Who's there?
It's the Mr. P. Bora.
Heard, Mr.
You.
so and so, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Yes, state respondent. None appears for the state, for the respondent on call. Relist Thursday or next Monday?
Next month.
Monday, so and so.
Pending item number 37.
Wait, please, I tried getting in touch. My lord, I have informed Mr. Munir. It seems he has missed the cause list, my lord. He says that his name is PK Munir, and in the cause list, it's P Munir. Maybe.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mohanta.
Yes, they were supposed to file their affidavits.
Yes, that's why I wanted his presence. I could have
Short date maybe fixed.
heard Mr. KM, na?
Yes.
KM Mohanta, learned counsel for the petitioner, stop. Also, none appears for for the respondent board on call. Mr. Dhar, learned counsel who is present in the court, informs that since the name of Mr. PK Munir has not been correctly shown in the cause list, he has accordingly missed the matter. Be that as it may, relist when?
Thursday, Lord.
On Thursday, so and so, reflecting the name of Mr. PK Munir, learned standing counsel of the respondent board in the cause list.
Deeply honored.
Yes.
Item number 40.
40 lordship, reading has been completed. Fix it in next week, lordship, any date.
My lord, with all due respect, may I? My lord, here, my lord.
Suspension?
My lord, suspension only on, I am challenging the suspension of the ungrounded, my lord.
Not review.
My lord, not review within the stipulated period of.
Then nothing say.
No, my lord, it is reviewed.
Yes,
So in our affidavit, we clearly stated.
All right, we'll have it on Thursday. Or tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow. Release tomorrow.
Already, my lord.
Tomorrow, you wanted some time, I'm giving you tomorrow. We'll have it on a hearing day. Yes.
Item 41.
I'm seeking accommodation, my lord, today.
Or filing affidavit.
Filing affidavit. You are for the CA, for
All the respondents.
all respondents. This is about that eligibility condition.
Yes, madam.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr.
S. Das.
S.
S. Das.
Das Leonard,
Standing counsel higher division.
Standing Counsel Higher Education, relist after 2 weeks to enable the state respondent file return in the matter
Absolutely.
on a date to be fixed by the registry. Log ID per day.
Item 42.
Dismissal from service. Yes, Mr. Gogoi. Affidavit.
You are awaiting instruction, lord.
Awaiting instruction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As prayed for, don't say as prayed, Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel.
Yes,
Which department?
forest.
Learning Standing Counsel, Forest so and so, seeks, submits that instruction is still awaited in the matter and accordingly seeks accommodation. Prayer is allowed, relist after 3 weeks to enable the Forest Department submit return in the matter.
All right.
43.
Anamika, on a date to be fixed by the registry. Log ID per day.
Matter relating to provincialization of service of grade 4 employee in the school.
Yes.
Lord, here I have received
Affidavits you have received today.
some instruction we have received, Lordship, because
Not sufficient.
No, it is sufficient. Otherwise, I would like to apply, Lordship. Actually, what happened at the time of verification during that provincialization process, as per the particulars furnished by the DEO, they were not eligible. Well, they were not eligible. Therefore, the department has taken a view that they will be placing it for review before the state level committee, next state level committee. So their matter will be placed before the state level committee for review in the next level.
And that state level committee has already recommended.
Why don't you file it by way of an affidavit? It is dangerous to just simply dispose such matters on the basis of these instructions. File it, Mr. So and so,
P.N. Sharma,
Learned Standing Counsel,
Standing Council Elementary.
Elementary Education, submits that he has received instruction in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. To enable the responding department to submit return as prayed.
Item number 44 and 45 same.
40,
3 cases may be taken together.
40,
45 and 46.
45 and 46 एके लगे हैं
43 and 46.
No, 43, 44 and 45.
43, 44 and 45.
45, these three matters.
Okay.
So these three matter may be listed together.
একেলগে order to marry list along with কৰি দিব. Yes.
Item 46.
Your Lordship.
Pension.
Lordship,
Mr. Bora,
Lordship, they supplied us the extra copy on 25/6 and we wrote
I'm not asking you that.
on 25/6 we have
25/6 is 25 June.
June. We have not.
And now we are in August.
August.
So don't need of specifying when the extra copy was given. Even a week's time is sufficient for you to take instruction why pension is not being released. You one time I will accommodate, but I am only specifying.
Yes.
You see, you have to also prioritize.
Yes, I understand.
Some matters requires some human touch to it also.
I understand.
Because these are pension matters, you can't just simply
Provisional pension. Only
whatever. They have not been released till now.
Yes.
These matters should not reach the doors of the court.
Time may be granted.
As prayed for by Mr. D. Bora, learned government council, na?
Yes.
Learned state council, relist after, yes, date by 2 weeks.
By 2 weeks, within 2 weeks.
2 weeks within on a date to be so and so for filing return in the matter.
Dead man.
129.
20.
Highly obligatory.
47.
Termination. 47. None appears on call. Respondent, anyone there? You are there?
Yeah.
Petitioner?
Yes.
Why you don't come when matters call?
Actually,
Huh?
they take some time. That's it.
No, that's all right. I didn't nearly keep it. Who's appearing for respondent? Health? Anyone from health? Yes, Chalia? I only want to know what is the status of your counter. Are you going to file? You're not going to file? I know. So who is there? Chalia?
Lordship, the Pankor process, Lordship, the matter may be passed over for the time being, Lordship, I'll
Just find out,
Yes.
even if the council is not here, if you can give me the information accordingly, let me find, at
Lordship.
least indicate that in the order. Otherwise, it makes no sense of just adjourning the matter. Yes, wait for some time, huh?
48.
Mr. Datta, you are the council. in-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Petitioner.
Yes, next.
That item number 40 is relating to renewal for service.
Hmm.
Well, I have filed an statutory appeal. That appeal has not been decided. Against that lawsuit is a writ petition.
Yes, but
Limited prior-
affidavit has to be filed, I think, no,
Yes,
Mr.
my
Thor?
lord, notice was issued, my lord. and
Yes, anyway, you have your,
Somehow missed to.
no
file the
problem.
proposal.
As prayed for by Mr. R. Thor, Learned Standing Council,
No, my lord, here, additional three, my lord. Still,
huh?
Additional. three.
Additional Senior Government Counsel for the state respondent seeks 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Supplementary item number 63.
Give him a copy if he wants. It will expedite. Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm aggrieved by the verification report that has been submitted by the respondent number 2, that is Seba earlier, Your Lordship.
Affidavit.
Failed, Your Lordship.
My lord, we have received instruction, my lord, we need some time to file it.
You are for?
I am for respondent number 2, Assam State School Education Board.
What about 3 and 4?
My lord, I'm repeating for the respondent number.
And 4?
4, it's causally shows, Your Lordship. There.
MS Mondal.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So because everybody will file something or not?
Yeah.
You all are filing.
Some time to file.
I'll give time. I just want to know who are going to file. As jointly prayed for by Mr. Who are now? Come on, tell me.
My lord, I am for respondent to DK Roy.
Are you filing?
Yes, my lord, we need to
Mr.
file
So and so, please give your names.
DK Roy,
Mr. DK Roy, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 2 and
only 2.
only 2.
I'm for one lot.
Respondent number 2, huh? And comma, Mr.
PN Sharma,
PN Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number
1.
1. And Mr. B. Dekka, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 2. 3. Relist after 3 weeks to enable the aforesaid respondents file respective returns in the matter.
I pray your lordship a fixed date.
It'll come, Mr. Counsel. You
Like-
have difficulty, please let us know. Yes.
For order, item number 49.
Yes. Why is this matter fixed for orders? Contempt case, affidavit.
I am representing R6. My lord, who was the principal secretary in the revenue department, he is the highest officer. Now, my lord, here we have filed, my lord, 3 affidavits on behalf of R6. Matter pertains to, my lord, framing of rules, service rules for the petitioners, my lord. And the order put in contempt was passed way back, my lord, in the year 2015. But since it is a, my lord, not only the revenue department is involved, my lord, several other department is involved. And there has to be a policy decision of the government on, my lord, approval of the state cabinet. Now, my lord, the matter has reached the final stage. It is to be now placed before the state cabinet. But and by last order, I was again directed to file an additional affidavit, thereby bringing on record the present status. Now, my difficulty is that, my lord, R6 has in the meantime been transferred. So therefore, perhaps he will have to implement, my lord.
Why don't you take that?
In fact, my lord, as per order date 21/4/22, my friend appeared all the respondent, my lord.
Yes, but after that, there is a change.
Last
Now that you see, these are in by person, right? So the new incumbent also, you bring him, then he can get the affidavit filed, because the new incumbent would be essential now.
In fact, my lord,
And it is in the main stage now. So immediately you file it. Give him the name and all details. You file it. So as prayed for by Mr. M. Islam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist the matter after
Weeks, my lord.
4
weeks, my lord. My lord.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner do the needful to bring the new incumbent to the post of
Additional Chief Secretary.
Additional Chief Secretary
To the Government of Assam.
to the Government of Assam,
Revenue and Disaster Management.
Revenue
Department.
and Disaster Management
Department.
Department on record.
Highly obliged, your lord.
I'm so obliged.
Yes, Mr. Das, Mr. Chalya, why is it for orders?
Lordship, here, others I am not aware, Lordship, but here the rectification that needed to be done by the finance department.
You had last time said that the matter is in the verge of
Yes, Lordship.
compliance.
And it's Lordship here, the rectification has been made and the bills have already been generated, Lordship. I have the copy of the bills also with me. So now.
Mr. Das, are you aware of the developments?
No, Lordship can just, Lordship, because the bills have already been generated now.
You see, Mr. Chalya, Mr. Das has to be also
Yes, Lordship.
informed what is happening.
Yes, Lordship, I can just give them the communication and they can follow, because now, as per my instructions, the DDO concerned has already sent the bills to the treasury, Lordship.
What is the order operating part, Mr. Das? Page?
Lordship, page 17, Lordship.
Page 17. Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, bottom line, Lordship.
Yes, the respondents.
Lordship.
Read.
Lordship, for the reasons stated herein above, this court is of the considered opinion that the impugned order dated 10/2/2006, thus cancelling the order of regularization, is on the face of it arbitrary and illegal. The same is accordingly set aside, and Lordship, the respondents are directed to give all consequential benefit to the petitioner pursuant to his regularization of his service by order dated 7/10/2005, after adjusting the pecuniary benefits, if any, already paid to him. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, all the benefits have been paid, only the leave encashment remains.
Yes. What is the status of the leave encashment now, Mr. Chalya?
Lordship, that the bills have been generated, Lordship, and they have been forwarded for release. So if the AG.
All right, because see, I am not concerned with the execution part, because I'm not this court is not the executing court, right? So, but nonetheless, I shall accommodate. In the meantime, you see that it is done. I'm not recording that. You can hand over a copy, and on the next date, if you want, you can file an affidavit.
AG is also present, maybe, correct? Respondent number 9.
Mr. Barwa?
My part is over, our accountant part. Already FPPO, there is FPPO, there is family pension pay order will be issued. It is our only
We can do that much. Arrears salary is paid by
See,
department.
the problem is, you have these papers in your hands.
Oh, yes.
Nothing is before this court, right? And the petitioner is also not aware.
Yes, yes.
No, I don't want that paper. I do not want a paper in a contempt proceeding. If I have to close the contempt proceeding, I need something on affidavit.
Then I'll buy it.
So either you file the affidavit by the next date.
Or Lordship, I'll ensure that the payment is made to.
Yes, and also share a copy so
Yes,
that he
yes,
can
sir.
also follow it up. But kindly file it by way of an affidavit. Just bring it on record that it is done, and I can close it.
Yes, that is correct. madam.
Isn't it?
Contempt.
Aspirate for by Mr. H. Alia so and so and Mr. C. Sharma. Na? C.
Borua.
C. Barwa, Leonard so and so. Relist on
Sending out the comment generally.
on when?
So after 10 days, in the meantime, maybe.
Give a date after 10 days on such and such date. Sovereign individual to enable the contemnors to apprise this court as regards the up-to-date status of compliance of this court's order dated so and so.
52.
As per office note dated 5/6/25, no steps has been received by the section lordship. So
Await service in respect of respondent. In respect of respondents,
lordship.
released after 3 weeks, date to be fixed by the registry.
Pending council cooperation.
Appearance to Lulu, but for respondent number
1, 2, 4 and 5.
1, 2, 4, 8.
53.
Contempt.
Contempt petition Lordship,
Yes.
raising willful violation of order dated 20/2.
Who's appearing for
Lordship, on
the
7/2, notice has been issued. Office note dated 17/6 says that
await AD card? No,
but the process server report says that it has been received, but no one has appeared.
no AD card or unserved notice has been received back. That is the office note.
The
19/6 I have in front of me.
Lordship, there is a office note dated 17/6/2025.
No, that is not here.
Sorry, probably it is 19/6 then.
Yes, 19/6 says process server's report has been received back in
Yes.
respect of R1,
Yes.
where it is mentioned that notice has been served. However, no AD card or unserved notice has been received back for R1 in connection with notice issued by registered post with AD.
Lordship, probably that will not come return back because it's more than.
But
3
then
months.
it has been served.
Yes. Respondent number 1 is the executive engineer of PWD, Umrangso, NEC division.
এখন হেৰিটো ক'ত আছে process server report আৰু এটা file আছে নেকি?
It's a case of non-payment of family pension, Lordship. Petitioners, this is his husband, he retired in the year 2014. Since then, nothing was paid. In 2021, he died. And then this
So
petitioner approves this honorable court.
it appears it has been served.
Lordship.
Heard
I have already informed with the standing council of Dima House, and they say that they were not informed about the.
See, it's a contempt matter.
Yes, yes.
Heard Mr. R. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. It appears that as per the report of the process server, notice has been served upon the respondent number 1.
He's the executive engineer.
On 10/9/2025. However, when the matter is called, none appears for the respondent stroke contempt. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. Let us see by then.
Not true.
54.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, steps were taken long back, my lord, on 24/2/2025, and the office note dated 27/2/25, my lord, office has sent the notice, my lord, by registered post. And the office note dated
Yes.
5/5/25, my lord.
Not
Neither
complete.
the as regard nor the.
We want to take fresh steps.
My lord, it may be possible, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, long back it is.
No, but it's a contempt, isn't
A
it?
contempt case, my lord.
So you take fresh steps and then we'll see if nothing happens. As prayed for by Mr. PC Dale, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to take fresh steps against the respondents to contemners.
55.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
The petitioner was terminated from his service.
What about steps?
Service has already been completed.
You are for sole respondent.
Lordship, we have filed local nama.
So that means it's complete. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard N. Bora, Learned Counsel, who has entered appearance on behalf of the sole contempt respondent stroke contemner by filing wakalatnama. She so-and-so further seeks for how much time? 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. Prayer is allowed, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
6.
May I proceed? My lord, this content may be closed. The order has been complied with.
Very well. Please give. You have something or otherwise it's all right. Heard MS. So and so Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Anyone for the contemner respondent? No one. None appears. I think there is no, the service also not complete. It appears MS so and so submits that during the pendency of the instant contempt petition, the order dated 21/8/2024 passed by this court in WPC number 2156/2022, non-compliance of which has been alleged in the instant contempt petition has already been complied by the contemner stroke respondent. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, nothing survives for adjudication in the instant contempt petition. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed.
57.
Disposed of. Yes, Mr. Deori. Yes,
In this case.
you are appearing.
Yes, yes.
Sole contemner?
No, 4.
4. What about the other contemners?
Lordship, we are representing all.
All. So how much time?
Your Lordship, we have preferred an appeal. So 3 weeks may be given.
Preferred an
Appeal.
appeal.
Yes, sir.
I'm not concerned with your appeal. I'm only concerned about this case. Is there a stay order?
No, Your
Then, if there is no stay order,
Your
it makes no
3 weeks
sense.
may be allowed.
You have to file your affidavit here.
Yes, sir.
Unless you have a stay order. Isn't it, Mr. Deori?
Yes.
This court's order stands.
Yes.
Filing of an appeal doesn't give you the, doesn't release you from not complying with the judicial order of this court.
Very true.
Heard Mr. T. Deori, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent stroke contemners. Mr. So-and-so seeks 3 weeks time to file affidavit in the matter. Prayer is allowed, relist after so-and-so on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the contemner stroke respondents file return in the matter.
58.
Yes. Service complete.
As for office note, my lord, service upon respondent number 2
Yes.
has been, my lord, completed.
No, AD card returned back for 2. But what about 1? It's still awaited. Heard Mr. M.U. Mandal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. It appears that as per office note dated 28/7/2025, service in respect of respondent number 2 stands complete. However, service in respect of respondent number 1 is still awaited. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged.
60.
Yes.
Petition on behalf of the petitioner who was expired during the pendency of this case.
Legal, eh?
Legal.
Yes.
Doctor.
You are for?
For the respondent, all the opposite party.
All right, this can be allowed. Legal, eh?
Yes.
In WPC, in a writ petition, isn't it? And this originates from what? Heard Mr.
T.N. Gogol.
Chen Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. So and so, Senior Counsel assisted by A. Chakrabarti, Learned Counsel for the respondents. Sure. By way of this interlocutory application, filed under Order 22, Rule 3 of the CPC, the applicant is seeking substitution of the legal heir of the petitioner, i.e. Nang Gautami Siring, in WPC
3313.
3313 of 2014. Stop. It appears that during the pendency of the writ petition, the applicant's father, i.e. the petitioner, expired. Correct? And accordingly, it is, and since the right to sue survives with the applicant, the present substitution application has been filed. In view of the fact that the applicant is required to be substituted as legal heir of the petitioner, for effective adjudication of the writ proceeding, this court allows the interlocutory application by providing that the applicant be substituted in place of the petitioner, Nang Gautami Siring, applicant's name to read, applicant Nang Gautami Siring, in place of the petitioner, late Sokula Siring, in WPC so and so. Let an amended cause title be submitted before the registry for doing the needful. Stands disposed of. Is there another IA? What is this 105? 195.
Probably, Lordship, this is a whole pending early hearing of the case.
So list after 3 weeks. On a date to be fixed by the registry. No, don't say anything. That came already as an early hearing. What is this? So, expedite early hearing. So, what is to be done here then?
Let it be, because
in view of the order passed in IA so and so, whereby the surviving legal heir of the petitioner has been substituted, relist the instant interlocutory application after 2 weeks or 1 week.
Let it be three weeks after, because
Why?
It will be then. In the meantime, I think that was in the hearing list earlier.
After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deep law.
Main case to yellow. I can like it. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
This is for substitution of the legal heirs of petition number 6, my lord. He expired on 12/5/2025. The next of kin certificate, my lord, is at page 16, and death certificate is at page 14, my lord.
Page
14 is the death certificate.
14. Okay.
He expired on 12/5.
One
2020.
second.
Yes.
Page 16 is the death certificate is page 14.
14, my lord.
And page 16 is the
My lord, the
Next
NOK, my lord, the next of kin certificate. The names of the applicants feature at page 16. Anupa Paul Chaudhary and Praloy Paul Chaudhary.
both are coming.
Both are coming.
Okay. And in where do I find the reference in the application?
My lord,
Yes, I've got it.
yes, at paragraph number 3, my lord. Page
Yes, I've got it.
Yes.
Heard Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, applicant, stop. Also heard Mr. MS Ardevi, learned counsel appearing for the respondents.
1 to 3.
Respondent number 1 to 3. By way of this application, the applicant is seeking substitution of the legal heirs of the deceased petitioner number 6, I, late Prabir Paul Chaudhary, who had expired on 12/5/2025. It is the specific case of the petitioner in WPC number 4469 of 2024. Then it is the specific case of the applicant that during the pendency of the instant writ petition, the petitioner number 6, I, late Prabir Paul Chaudhary, expired on 12/5/2025, leaving behind the following legal heir. Page 10, 6A, 6B. It appears that for the just and proper adjudication of the case in hand, the aforesaid legal heirs of the petitioner number 6 is necessary to be substituted. Stop. Accordingly, in the interest of justice, the application for substitution stands allowed. It is provided that so and so and so and so be substituted in the place of the deceased petitioner number 6, I so and so. Let amended cost title be submitted before the registry for doing the needful. The I stands disposed of. Now, anything to be done in the WPC?
No, my lord. In fact, readings are yet to be completed.
So it will come on its
It will
own.
come on soon, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
Time being item number 47.
Anyone there? Mr. Datta, where is he gone? Very difficult to get him. Yes.
3 weeks, lordship will file. Lordship.
3.
Yes.
Okay. As prayed for by Mr. D. Upamanyu, na?
Yes.
Learned Standing Council Health.
Yes, lordship. 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Health so and so 1, 2,
4, and 5.
4 and 5. Relist after
3 weeks.
3 weeks to enable the health department file return in the matter.
Highly open.
Date may fix the registry matter. A date may fix by the registry matter.
On a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged. Dipped obliged.
Yes.
Hearing item number 62.
Pay parity.
I am seeking a little accommodation with all apologies, madam.
No problem.
But this matter.
When do you want it?
Next week, finance have already filed our affidavit.
Pleadings are complete.
Yes, it is already fixed for hearing.
It's
And I
already-
think admitted already.
Yes.
So when do you want it?
Can it be in the next week?
Mr. Pathak, as jointly prayed by the learned councils appearing for the parties, relist for hearing on such and such date. If you want your names, Mr. K.B. Pathak for petitioner and our Pujari for respondent number.
For the finance department.
Finance department and Thor
For respondent 3.
1 and 2.
And so.
Vote is over.